Hello, my name's Rebecca and today I'm going to be showing you what you can make with the Christmas blockbuster. So we're going to go with our Christmas cuties and we're going to use the top set pick of the penguins. We're going to make this into a circular rocker card, so we will get started. So I've taken the printed and foiled piece of cardstock here and I've laid the largest circle die on here. This is from our Duo stitched nesting dies, and it is the largest one on there. So I've put it into some place with some low tack tape and then we will run that through our die cutting machine. So we're just going to gently press that out and that's cut out perfectly for us. And then we're just going to lay it on our scoreboard, centrally onto there, and score in half. Give the scoreline a good crease, and then that is our rocker card all made. So next we're going to embellish using some of our toppers. So we're going to take the green penguin to match with the cardstock. I'm going to carefully remove all the frames so that we have 3 pieces. We're just going to use the outer frame and our central image topper there. So we're going to put the inner frame to one side and just use the larger frame. So we're going to lay that over our card and we're going to add that on using some foam pads. We don't want any foam pads to be seen. So I'm going to draw a faint line in pencil to where I want it to sit on my rocker. So I've just snipped off some of those pips that are looking a bit proud, and then we're going to adhere that onto our card using some foam pads. I'm then going to place that on my card base nice and centrally, and I'm going to do the same thing with my penguin. I'm going to lift that up slightly higher and again draw a pencil line just so that I don't put foam pads where they will show. And then finally we're going to finish off with a sentiment. There are loads of cute sentiments in this one, and I am going to go with the "Have a ball this Christmas" and "Have a tremendous time." Okay, and I'm going to add that on with some glue dots. that is my Pick of the Penguins rocker card all finished, and I'm just going to give it a really nice good fold and a little rock.